Hey everyone, welcome to my AT&T Internet review. Check the description for service links. AT&T offers a wide range of internet plans, from basic broadband to blazing fast fiber with speeds up to 5 gigabits in select areas. Their fiber plans deliver exceptional reliability, low latency, and matching upload and download speeds, perfect for streaming, gaming, and working from home. AT&T Fiber powers seamless connectivity for busy households. Their all-in-one gateway supports Wi-Fi 6 for faster, more stable wireless. Fiber also ensures consistent performance, even during peak hours, crucial for video calls, online classes, and competitive gaming. Whether you're a casual user or a power user, AT&T has a plan for you. Unlimited data on fiber plans means no more worrying about data caps. Security is a priority. Eligible plans include ActiveArmor Internet Security, protecting your devices from threats. The Smart Home Manager app lets you control your network, manage devices, and easily troubleshoot issues. AT&T is a great option for families, professionals, and gamers needing reliable, high-speed internet. However, fiber availability is expanding, so check if it's in your area. Customer service reviews are mixed, so patience might be needed. Overall, AT&T provides a reliable, high-speed internet experience with fiber technology, robust security, and flexible plans. See the description for plan details and availability in your area.